Alright, the audio is gonna be bad, but my house has exploded, as you can tell. So we lost. I'm gonna calculate how much I lost. I'm gonna list it somewhere on the screen. How much I lost because of ants. We have to throw the product away. We cannot serve it to people. This, I don't remember where that came from, but I need to clean that as well. This is all melted, as you can tell here. So that's another product I'm gonna be losing. This is all cracked and stuff. Chewing gum may be melted, I don't know, maybe I can save some, but I highly doubt it. So I'm losing on this one. Damn, this is stuck. Oh, that mechanism is gonna be uncleanable or a bitch to clean. This, you've seen me clean this. This is all stuck, all melted. You've seen me in one of the videos on the shorts. This was melted up to here actually, and had to clean it. I still have cleaning to do. This is okay. I took that, just swapped the machine. This is okay. This is not okay. This is melted. Those melt the most. And this is the only one that is good. I have to just swap the machine. And that's it. All I need to do is finish all that. So yeah, candy machine business, it is not the easiest one. Maybe the profit is not there. We'll see if I want to continue doing that, but let's get back to the video. What's up, you guys, and welcome to the channel. This episode we're gonna see a little bit about the not so fun part about owning a candy machine business. I hope you like it. I hope it's informative. I hope you smash the like button and subscribe. So as far as Rhino machines go, I'm gonna show you how I do it. So as you can tell, it is dirty AF. Now, I took those things out. Let me just show you it. The separators were here. Okay. I took them out. And now I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, and I think that should come out. And when that comes out, I can take those apart, submerge it into water, the plastic, and clean it. And that's how you do it. So this is super dirty and I ain't spending the time to clean it. If that, I have a machine here that is only for spare parts, so I'm just gonna take that whole thing and replace it and bam, be done with it. Actually, I found something wrong with this. There's like bugs in here, so I'm just gonna take all of those carousels here from this healthy machine. I'm just gonna transport all of them there. Actually, I'm just gonna take the whole bottom part. I don't know why I didn't just do that in the first place. I regret I did not take a video of this one. Those were okay. I mean, I threw it away. This was stuck like Chuck. It's just interesting to see. I'll clean it, but Skittles really melt, guys. So be careful where you place your machine. Also tell the business owner, do not move the machine anywhere with the sun, because that's what happens. All right, I put it together. This is the final product. It did take kind of an hour to complete. And yeah, I have one more now. Where is it? This one. Alright guys, that was the video for today. It's not all fun and games. Thank you very much for watching. Like and sub, and I'll see you next time.